Hello Tayyiba.
Hello teacher.
Tell me Tayyiba, which activity we are performing today?
Jumble sentence.
Jumble sentences. Okay. In this activity, I place the word in a jumbled way. What you have to do, you have to arrange it in a sequence and make a proper sentence. Okay? Now, read it.
Ball is this a?
Arrange it in a sequence. Well done.
He
Now read it.
reads the book.
Well done. Yes, Halima. Read it. Put the finger on the word bread.
Bread eat it.
Okay, now arrange it. Read it.
They eat bread.
Good. Okay, now Halima, read it again.
Open door the eye.
Oh, arrange it. Read it again.
I open the door.
Well done. Yes, Salwa, read it.
Love country I mine.
Now arrange in a sequence.
Love.
Read it.
I love my country.
Well done. Okay, now Salwa, again read it.
Cat the sleeping is.
Arrange in a
The
sequence. Read it.
The cat is sleeping.
Well done. Yes, Basim, read it.
These are these.
Okay, now arrange in a sequence. Read it.
These are trees.
Okay.